When your context manager's cleanup code throws an exception, which one survives? The original or the new one? Every context manager's exit method receives 3 arguments: the exception type, the exception value, and the traceback object. If the with block completed without error, all 3 arrive as none. This gives exit full visibility into exactly what went wrong, or that nothing went wrong at all. What exit returns determines the exception's fate. Return true, and the exception is suppressed. The with block exits cleanly as if nothing happened, and execution continues on the next line. Return false, or return nothing at all, and the exception propagates up the call stack. This is Python's explicit mechanism for intentional exception swallowing. Here's a practical example. This context manager suppresses value error but lets everything else propagate. Inside exit, we check the exception type. Returning true silences value error, so execution resumes after the with block. Returning false for anything else allows it to bubble up normally to the caller. Now the tricky edge case. If exit itself raises a new exception, that new exception completely replaces the original. The original is not chained. It is simply gone. So if your cleanup code can fail, always catch those internal errors yourself, or you will silently discard the original problem and make debugging extremely painful. Return true to suppress, false to propagate, and raising inside exit silently replaces the original exception. Follow for more Python internals every week. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.